Hi friends, this is Kevin Kubota, and this coming Sunday at Unity, I'll be sharing a talk called The Uncomfortable View from 16,000 Feet. Now, I recently returned from leading a group to Ecuador and the Galapagos, and one of the most amazing places we visited there was Cotopaxi volcano, where we climbed almost to the top and had some really mind-opening experiences. In fact, the entire adventure, the trip, gave me something to think about when I returned about the nature of our comfort zone in regards to our spirituality as well as our everyday life. And I realized there are two sides to that story: the side that pushes us out and the benefits of that, and also there are some benefits to staying within our comfort zone. But how do we know the difference? How do we know when to stay within and how to step over that line outside of our comfort zone? Why? Why is it important? Well, let's talk about it. You'll find out, and maybe you'll have something to share as well. So come on down Sunday and check it out. I'll be sharing some really beautiful images from our trip as well. As a professional photographer, that's one of the things I do. And sharing one of the most important lessons that I came home with after this adventure. So I hope to see you Sunday at Unity.